Yo, hello Kuki people, Nadam Namo Sepai Kale Move. Hope everyone is doing well. So today we have one highly suggested, requested video by the title GALJO NITENG, guys. Thadou Kuki official music video, guys. Yeah, we're gonna check it out, guys. Hope everyone is doing well. Love from Africa, guys. Let's go. Movie is about to start. Thank you, sponsor. This is based on true story. Real life. Me, Kuki, and those are me. Thank you for the sponsor. Thank you for transportation. Special thanks. Now let's listen to a script and directed by MC. Asking Zamin Kuki. Subtitle Convoy. Oh, they have subtitle. That's really nice.
Hello.
Now, kana say ji banga jingteng le mata galmun ka zo de tai.
Ipinasay na ham. Kaza anong boyo.
Hilou. Ido hi. Ngam gal hi na. Chilo tin ka ki gyal po na. Mayo si ka so tu chale ta na.
Naloy na bay. Pasal tamta. Kilip so kaya. Gampa ma umloy. Sumol loy. Kuna chung thu say biam. Nathanop na zomi. Kay lumgim na bit. Nachile kay ikati de tang. Kihyando na nabasing. Lumgyal gen taysa.
Now. So na pa na kasay tala. Kay pasal dang tabang. Tu agalin hi. Am sa galin lang so. Langsung kal so lupi. Phung la chang gal so. Nam pi gal so kuki gal. Ni tam ta gi le le. Ki wang ka thane pe na galam ta le. Tapan lo le pasalin ka gi gyal he.
Salute, bro. That is the real man. Fight for your land, bro. Never give up. So sorry, guys. He will be back. Never mind. Never mind. She's not happy. But never worry, lady. He will be back.
Hello.
Hopefully.
Hello.
Now.
I have been telling you.
Kana say jing sa ta na ko ma. Ben, nei lung sit le.
If you still love me,
Sing le mo kom sa nang to.
for 9 at my house.
Mang po ka koy.
I am hanging up.
I love you.
I love you too. They also have Japan Kuki and Cobra Kuki. Who are they? Movies about
Lupa na he. Lawak tiang ti pari talo. Ibimna nak siang. Ibimna ni hilang. Mesti kaya suka tiu. Yes okay now them. Yes sir. Kung kan dia. Dua dong ye. Baik ke lolai. Dijuna. Yes sir. Dua he. Lo in jadi yang ya. Yes sir. Hai, saya tahu tu.
go in the drama and everything together. Wow, this is so beautiful. This is so sad at the same time.
ding da gel si te vai ko lo the ding ka hi poi bo ang dang vang ana sang hi pe nam gal so ni te leng khom ki tai ni
ai có lòng xe chỉ riêng nơi ta nè nằm bi kinh nghiệm nan na hi hạ in hangin băng dinh na nghi gu lung liang lâu dễ lung tuk mo so ding nam gal so ni te nam gal so ni te sen nào băng núi khó mình ít thêm thứ chênh suốt khó mi tình bồn áng đang vàng sang nào dễ nó
Hoa tình nín ngọc na ông thấy lâu xuân lệ gian ghel bắt chung để phố gol đây ca hin nga lâu vin ghel hi o ngay kim thu sụt đi nắng đa niềm ấy phơ
Len pi ding pe zin se lung cam mong dầu bôi tòng số mel mu lo vong là sông lệ hen huy phi luôn hồng lên dây tha nên lâu dê ấy gần một tô đi chúng con thiên ở
Nam gal so ni te sen nào băng núi khó mình
ít thêm thứ chênh suốt khó mi tình
bồn áng đang vàng
sang lâu dễ nó
lệ nó có ni cũng số ca sĩ tu đê dính ngon cồn ít kịp tiếp na số mai núi hi va yên lên khom na đi ni lệ ta a si yên xem mây tai tê
vai trong là cầm chênh kỳ điên ăn thua hạ nhẹ sàn băng hi mây lệ ô thiên lai lung đâm nàn tê lại tiếp ô đập min lung leo non cả đêm mê hăng sang vòng hoa in đâu còn
director is a really big hero. Director MC Mimin. Wow, you guys really gave something masterpiece. This is really amazing. I felt like I was watching a movie, guys, a short film, guys. GALJO NITENG. Tell me, what does this meaning by GALJO NITENG, guys? This was really so unique, so inspiring, so encourageable, and at the same time it is so painful and sad because it's based on a true story, guys. And you know, this is really what is happening. Like, the people are leaving their family. I'm saying this word in every single of my video because this is based on a true story. People has to leave their home, their family, their relatives, their kids, and to go and fight for the Kukiland, guys. Wow. God is seeing everything, guys. I hope, like what they said in this music, that the time of the victory will come. The victory time is coming. Hopefully it will come and we'll share our love story. But it will never come if men are running, not fighting. If men are not fighting for their land, guys. You have to fight for your justice. This is what I can say, guys. For your justice and for the humanity, guys. I really love what I saw today. This was really so inspiring. My prayer for you all, guys. May God bless you, grant you peace and justice. Love from Africa. Thank you so much, guys. Our God is the Savior. Keep the faith and keep praying, guys. Love you all. Till next time.